Welcome to a journey where creativity meets craftsmanship. In this video, we invite you to explore the enchanting realm of wooden fabric wall hangings and wall art, where simplicity and artistic expression come together seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete novice, this space is designed for anyone who wishes to transform their living or work environment into a reflection of their unique style. The blend of wood and fabric not only adds warmth and texture to your decor but also provides an opportunity for you to connect with the materials and create something truly personal. Here, we celebrate the beauty of handmade art and the joy of crafting pieces that resonate with your individual taste. As you embark on this creative adventure, you'll discover that crafting stunning wall art doesn't require extensive skills or expensive materials. With just a few basic tools and some imagination, you can design and create captivating pieces that enhance any space, from cozy homes to vibrant offices. This guide will provide you with everything you need, from understanding the materials and tools to designing, crafting, and displaying your artwork. So, roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and let's dive into the wonderful world of wooden fabric wall hangings and wall art that you can proudly say you made yourself. As we come to the end of this inspiring journey into the world of wooden fabric wall hangings and wall art, we hope you found valuable insights and creative ideas to ignite your artistic spirit. If you enjoyed the content and felt inspired, we encourage you to stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and creative projects that will help you enhance your home or workspace. Your likes and shares mean the world to us and help us reach more people who are eager to explore their creativity. So, join our community, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this artistic adventure together. Your next masterpiece awaits. Creating wall art doesn't have to be a daunting task reserved for seasoned artists. With just a few simple skills and materials, you can craft stunning wooden fabric wall hangings that add charm and personality to your space. This guide will walk you through the process, highlighting the beauty of combining wood and fabric in your home decor. This combination not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your environment but also allows you to express your creativity in a tangible way. Before diving into the creative process, it's essential to understand the basics of working with wood and fabric. Begin by selecting lightweight wood, such as pine or plywood, which is easy to cut and handle, making it ideal for beginners. The wood's grain and finish can also add a rustic charm to your artwork. For fabrics, consider options like cotton, linen, or burlap, as they provide varying textures and colors that can complement your design. Cotton offers softness and versatility, while burlap adds a rustic touch. Understanding these materials' properties helps you make informed choices that will enhance your final piece. Gathering the right tools and materials is crucial for a successful project. For woodworking, you'll need a saw, hand saw or jigsaw, sandpaper for smoothing edges, a drill for creating holes, and wood glue for securing pieces together. For fabric work, fabric scissors and a hot glue gun will be your best friends. Additionally, consider using embellishments like beads, twine, or paint to elevate your designs. Each tool serves a specific purpose, and understanding how to use them effectively will streamline the crafting process, making it more enjoyable and less frustrating. Design is where the magic begins. Start by sketching your ideas on paper, allowing yourself the freedom to explore different concepts. Consider the size and shape of your wall hanging, whether you prefer geometric patterns, nature-inspired themes, or abstract designs. This stage is crucial for visualizing your final piece. Also, think about the colors and textures of the fabrics you want to use, as these will play a significant role in the overall aesthetic. A cohesive color palette can unify your artwork, while contrasting fabrics can create visual interest. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations to find what resonates with your vision, as this exploration is part of the creative journey. Once you have a design in mind, it's time to create the wooden base. Carefully cut your wood to the desired dimensions, ensuring the edges are smooth by sanding them down to prevent splinters. If your design includes multiple pieces, measure carefully to maintain consistency across all components. Drilling holes for hanging purposes is also advisable at this stage, making it easier to display your finished piece. The craftsmanship of the wooden base sets the foundation for your artwork, so take your time to ensure precision and quality. A well-crafted base not only enhances the durability of your piece but also contributes to its overall aesthetic appeal. With your wooden base prepared, you can now attach the fabric. Cut your fabric according to your design, allowing enough excess to wrap around the edges of the wood. This helps create a clean finish and prevents fraying. Use a hot glue gun to secure the fabric, ensuring it's taut but not overly stretched to maintain its natural drape. For added flair, consider layering different fabrics or using various patterns to create depth and interest in your piece. This layering can also allow for a more dynamic visual experience, inviting viewers to explore the artwork closely. Pay attention to the alignment and placement of the fabric to ensure a polished final look. To enhance the visual appeal of your wall hanging, incorporate decorative elements that resonate with your style. Beads, tassels, or even painted designs can add unique touches that make your artwork stand out. Think about the textures and colors of these embellishments and how they interact with your fabric and wood. Experiment with different placements and arrangements before securing them down. This iterative process allows you to refine your design and ensures that each element complements the whole. Remember, this is your creative expression, so let your imagination guide you. The more personal and unique your embellishments are, the more they will reflect your individual style. Once everything is assembled, take a step back to assess your work. Look for any areas that may need touch-ups or additional embellishments. You might want to apply a protective finish to the wood to ensure durability, especially if your piece will be exposed to sunlight or moisture. This step can also enhance the wood's natural beauty, bringing out its grain and color. Consider using a clear varnish or wood stain that aligns with your design aesthetics. Final adjustments can make a significant difference in the overall impact of your artwork, so take your time to ensure everything is just right. Finally, don't forget to share your creation. Whether it's through social media or in-person gatherings, showcasing your handmade wall art can inspire others to explore their creativity. Consider hosting a workshop or sharing tutorials to help others learn the simple skills needed to create their own stunning pieces. Engaging with a community of fellow creators can lead to valuable feedback and new ideas for future projects. Plus, sharing your journey can foster connections with others who appreciate the beauty of handmade art, creating a supportive network of creativity. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to fuel your creativity. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and tutorials that can help you transform your space with unique wooden fabric wall hangings and art.